Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the canvas. Shoot or crop to 9:16 at 1080 x 1920 so the video fills the short. Use a strong 3/7-second hook and place it in the first 2 seconds to force engagement. This matters because the algorithm rewards retention. Once done, add captions and choose a clear thumbnail frame and short headline so viewers understand value at a glance and are likelier to watch through. Now you focus on engagement mechanics that make a short grow. Edit so the ending naturally leads into the beginning. Loopability multiplies view counts because plays repeat. Make a simple prompt for micro-action in the first 5-10 seconds. This nudges interaction metrics that platforms amplify. Also pick trending audio, but add an original twist so the clip stands out. You do this because matching trends plus differentiation boosts reach far more than generic content. Finish by optimizing metadata and timing. Write concise captions, add 1 to 2 targeted hashtags, and schedule release when your audience is active because early traction signals distribution. Once live, monitor first-hour retention and interaction. Those metrics determine whether the short scales. If reach is poor, act fast, swap the audio, tighten the hook to 2 seconds, or change the thumbnail and repost. This troubleshooting loop is essential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.